Architectural and aluminium joinery involves the design, construction and installation of aluminium windows and doors. This is an exciting industry that is influenced by innovation and advances in technology. As an apprentice, you'll get the opportunity to work on a variety of sites, from everyday houses to large commercial projects. There are a variety of different careers in architectural and aluminium joinery, from working in the factory, cutting, shaping and assembling of windows and doors, to working on-site installing the finished product. This industry embraces new technology, computer skills and precision engineering. Having woodwork or metalwork knowledge is a useful background too. If you've already been working in the trade for some time, BCITO offers excellent opportunities to recognise skills and also further your career with advanced, on-the-job training for supervisors. For a business owner, having qualified staff is an excellent way to add professionalism and profitability to the business. It's an exciting industry that embraces people with the right can-do attitude and team mentality.